I got these containers from Walmart years ago. I initially got the blue containers. I've had these containers for well, this is a newer one, for so many years. And I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. Well, 4 containers. And so I bought a second set. So this was the first set. The second set has this color. The first set has this color. And of course, the second set is newer, so it looks newer than the older set. So Walmart. Okay. Alright guys, so I use the Weiman, it's the cooktop daily cleaner, and that is what I'm using right now to just get the stovetop clean. This is a little like just a cleaning cloth thing. I forgot what it's called. And it's also Weiman, and it's used to clean like glass stovetop. So if you have one, you could get the set, and it comes with something like this that you use to scrape off anything that's on the stovetop that is sticking to the surface and it's hard to remove. I don't have anything that's hard to remove right now, so I need to use that. Now I'm using a kitchen rag to just remove the excess cleaner. So I'm removing the excess cleaner and just polishing the glass top, stove top. That's it, pretty simple. So now I'm done with the stove top, and I'm gonna do the dishes in the sink. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna wipe the counter down now, and I'm using the Lysol wipes. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna polish the stainless steel appliances with the Lehman stainless steel cleaner and polish. Okay guys, so that is how I get my kitchen to look clean after I cook. That's what I do. I polish the stainless steel, I wipe down the kitchen counter with the Lysol, I clean the stovetop, wash the dishes, and sweep the floor, and do light dusting and polishing where needed. I just noticed that I need to dust where I keep my wine bottles. Right there. A microfiber cloth. I'm just dusting these little cubbies, my wine holder. And I can't get to those, so I have to use a chair. chopping stool. Wait, hold on. Yeah. And y'all see, oh, y'all see my butt. That's not what I want to show you. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Okay. Have you guys ever tried Red Label wine? Get into it if you haven't. Try it. Try it. It's a Jamaican wine. Grape wine with artificial flavor and artificial color, but yeah, by Ray and Nephew. Try it at least once. Or twice. Or multiple times. Yeah. Okay guys, that's it for sure. So these rags are still clean. They haven't been out long, so I'm gonna put them right back where they were, which is right here. And that's it. I'm done. I'm done cleaning the kitchen and it looks so nice. Happy about that. What say you? What's up with that? What say you? What say you? Is that Shakespeare? What say you? Anyways, yeah guys, I'm going to show you the finished results, and it's just going to look clean, much better than what it was before. All right guys, so this is the finished results. The refrigerator is nice and sparkly shining because the stainless steel got cleaned, and the sink should be clean. Yep, it's nice and clean. Countertop nice and clean, and the kitchen is all put together. Again, stovetop nice and clean.